Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the calendar time zone in Gohighlevel. Setting the correct time zone helps appointments get scheduled accurately and avoids confusion with clients. Let's get started. On your Gohighlevel dashboard, go to Settings. You will find the settings in the lower left part of your page. Click this one. Once you are in the settings, go to your business profile or profile. In your profile settings, you will see your time zone on the left side. Here, you can also change your state, your country, and your time zone. To change the time zone, click this drop-down and choose the time zone you want. For this example, we will use our current location. After choosing the right time zone, click Update. After clicking Update, the page will load. Please wait for it to finish loading. Now, the time zone is set to the correct one for your business and your customers. Always double-check your settings to make sure your bookings show the correct local time.